Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. I'm going to take these Dollar Tree items and turn them into amazing home decor with no skills required. And these will not look cheap. So let's get started. You guys, next time you're at Dollar Tree, pick up 2 of these wooden pallets. I'm going to show you a clever DIY and how to use them. Take some white acrylic paint and paint both sides. And they should look like this when you're done. Next, take 2 of these Dollar Tree wood planks and paint them also with some white acrylic paint. Next, use some Dollar Tree wallpaper to cover the top of your wood plank. Next, you're going to take your wood plank and you're going to place it in the palette as I'm showing you right there. You're going to use some wood glue and hot glue. Finish it off by adding the second plank. And now you have a 2-shelf organizer. I'm going to show you another no skills required DIY using one of these new Dollar Tree plates. You're going to need the large plate, the smaller saucer, and also a bowl. And also 2 candle holders. First, start with your small plate, flip it upside down like I did. You're going to apply some super glue and also some hot glue to attach the candle holder to the bottom of the plate. Next, take the larger plate, flip it upside down, take the matching bowl, and what you're going to do is you're going to attach them together like so, both bottoms meeting. Once again, you're going to use the super glue for permanent hold and then the hot glue for a quick bond. And now you have a beautiful table decor. I decided to use one candle stand for a candle. So I didn't actually use it in my project, but I did use it as a display. You guys, wait and see what I do with this Dollar Tree summer hat. You're gonna be amazed. So I started off by taking it apart. Until I was left with this. I took a Dollar Tree planter and I took the straw-like material and I hot glued it around my planter. Next, I took these Dollar Tree dowels and I cut them to about 7 inches. And then I drilled some holes up at the top where I was gonna drill in some screws. Next, I attached them to the side of my planter. And I also painted my screws because I didn't want them to stand out with that silver color. And then I arranged this flower pot with some green ivies from Dollar Tree. And then I put my flower arrangement into my new standing pot. And I put it in my foyer. Let me know what you think. Dollar Tree carries a variety of these canvas prints and they are really pretty. Well, I'm going to show you how you can elevate them and make them look a lot nicer. So what you want to do is flip your canvas to the back side and remove all those staples. Now what I did is I took a knife and I gently pulled up on the staples and then I removed them with some pliers. In one of my Dollar Tree hauls, I hauled these arched mirrors and I really liked them. However, I wasn't going to use the mirror, so I took the mirror out and I'm only going to use the arch frame for my canvas prints. I flattened my canvas as best as I could and then I used the arch mirror to trace out the part that I wanted to cut out for my print. And then all I did is put my canvas in my frame. And this is how they look now. Next time you're at Dollar Tree, grab one of these vanity organizers. I'm going to show you how you can use this in a very clever way. I'll be using this Dollar Tree acrylic note board as a base for my vanity organizer. I'm going to remove the label from the organizer. I'm going to add some super glue and hot glue at the bottom of the vanity organizer, and then I'm going to place it over my acrylic board. This will give my organizer better stability. For my glue gun, this is a perfect little hack where you can store also your glue sticks and you have yourself a glue gun caddy. You guys, next time you're at Dollar Tree, grab one of these easels. And also get one of these peel and stick wallpapers. I absolutely love this one. It's new at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some of this white apple barrel acrylic paint, and what I'm going to do is paint the legs on the easel and also around the sides. From this tumbling game, I'm going to use 4 blocks. Using some hot glue, I'm going to glue 2 together, and then I'm going to repeat the same process to the other 2. Next, I'm going to take some wood glue and I'm going to glue the sets together like I'm showing you there. Next, I'm going to paint it with some white acrylic paint once the glue has hardened. Next, I'm going to apply a piece of wallpaper to the front of the easel. Then I'm going to take that piece of wood and I'm going to super glue it to the front of the easel. And now I have a really pretty phone stand. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. I will see you on my next video. So bye bye and God bless.